Welcome to the Broadway installation guide video. The Broadway solar fixture comes in two different wattages, a 10 watt and a 20 watt. The Broadway comes with a wall mount bracket. The space from the wall surface to the fixture is 3 inches. Secure the wall mount to the fixture with 3 screws. Insert 4 screws directly onto the installation surface, then attach the fixture. Only the Broadway 10 watt can harness directly to a surface. If the surface is too thick, you can request our long arm mount accessory. This is not included with the fixture package, must be purchased separately. If you need a long arm mount accessory for your installation, the Broadway 10 watt will require 2. The Broadway 20 watt will require 3. The long arm mount can extend up to 2.5 inches. Once installed, press the power button to turn on the light. The Broadway fixture has a charge indicator that tells you how much charge is in the fixture. If possible, face your solar panels to the south for maximum sunlight intake. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please visit us at www.soltechlighting.com.